What happens when a Chevy guy for most of his life decides to do up a Ford Mustang? Well, of course he buys a V6 Mustang, and he's gotta stir things up a little bit. When I purchased this Mustang, it was stock, everything. So we did the works from exhaust to aftermarket parts. A few little motor mods like air intake, Screaming Demon, coil pack, high performance alternator, high performance battery. Still need to wax it, so if you guys notice it's a little dirty, sorry about that. Just got back, so I want to wax it. I hate going to car washes because, you know, every time you leave a car wash you get these specks from the water drying. So I'll put ceramic coating on it so get it completely cleaned up and then pull it away. So for a list of mods, you can check out my description. I got a link where you can find all the mods that I have on here, and so forth. But alright guys, subscribe to my channel. You're going to see more of this. Take care, guys. Alright guys, I got it all ceramic coated, cleaned up the rims. There's no special effects for this video recording, so as far as, you know, how they look is how they look. So yeah, we cleaned up the rims, cleaned up the body as good as we could. It's hard to get the swirls out. It's hard to get a black car perfect as well. We also sprayed the tires down as well. Oh, we got some nasty swirls. See that right in here? Man, I tell you, you always miss them.